I know that there are many non-Kasi friends in this meeting. Therefore, I would like to extend my warm welcome to all of you. I would also like to request each one of you to kindly bear with us. And please don't mind, since we are conducting this meeting in Kasi for the convenience of the majority of people who attend this meeting. However, I would like to briefly explain about this meeting, the purpose and the objective of this meeting. We convened this meeting because we want to explain to the people of the state about the reasons that led to the formation of the Voice of the People Party, in short, the VPP. I am sure you will all agree with the leaders of the VPP that all political parties in our state, especially the regional parties, have failed the people of the state miserably. Therefore, we feel we are duty-bound to do something to prevent the state from further decline and deterioration. And as a group of concerned citizens, we are left with no option but to launch this new political party. We want also to tell this gathering that we have a vision for the state, that is to revive, restore, and transform Meghalaya. We would also like to assure the people of the state that we will ensure good governance and clean politics if we are voted to power. We would also like to ensure the people of the state that we will ensure peace, security, tranquility in the state at all times. What does it mean by clean politics? It means zero tolerance on corruption. It also means no more nepotism in the process of giving employment to the youth. No more nepotism, no more favoritism in the process of rewarding contract and supply works to contractors and suppliers. We will insulate the functioning of bodies like district selection committees, DSCs, Meghalaya Public Service Commission, MPSC, and others from political interference. We will ensure fairness and transparency at every level. Clean politics also means more governance and less politicking. Therefore, you can understand that clean politics alone is the basis for good governance. We will not only ensure good governance to the people of the state, but we will also ensure that those who have looted and plundered the wealth of the state are brought to justice. My dear friends, we need to work together in order to bring about political change in the state and throw out the present dispensation from power. Last but not the least, I would like to clarify that the Voice of the People Party is not the party for the Kasis only. However, it is a state regional party that will protect the constitutional rights of all the people residing in the state, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. And my special thanks, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our Mizo friends. I was made to understand that there are many Mizo friends who are attending this meeting today.